these lesions ooze an orange-brown liquid. It spreads rapidly in moist, warm weather, especially during bloom. The ideal control method is to apply copper and antibiotics to the plant externally. This is the only effective method. Spraying plants with streptomycin or injecting plants with the oxytetracycline can prevent the new infection. Pear scab, sometimes referred to as the black spot. Pear scab is caused by a fungal microorganism. Initially, the fungus causes round brown spots on the upper surfaces of the leaves. These spots become velvety and release spore packets called conidia, which spread the disease throughout the tree. Um, in planting of several trees, additional steps might be necessary to effectively control this disease, especially in cool, moist coastal areas. These include applying zinc and fertilizer grade urea to the leaves. In autumn, to hasten leaf fall and adding lime to the leaf piles beneath the tree in pears, apply urea by itself because zinc can be phytotoxic. Several fungicides are available for controlling apple and pear scab. These include fixed copper, Bordeaux mixture, copper soaps, sulfur, mineral, and neem oils. February leaf spot, most problematic in warm and humid production regions. Lesions on the leaves and petioles start as small circular purple to black pinpoints spots, then enlarge quickly to diameter of about 10 millimeter, develop to a brown to black interior. Heavily infected leaves and fruit drop prematurely. On fruit, lesions have a similar appearance to those on leaves, but tend to be larger and cause the fruit to crack. Removal or destruction of leaf litter can reduce the early season disease. Regular application of fungicides from white bud through late summer may be necessary to prevent disease in orchards. Primary infections usually occur during 6 weeks after petal fall. Sooty blotch. Sooty blotch and fly speck is a descriptive term for a condition of darkly pigmented blemishes and smudges caused by a number of different fungi affecting fruit, including apple, pear, persimmon, banana, papaya, and several other cultivated tree and vine crops. The greenish black coating resembling sooty fly speck like dots grow into irregular stains and blotches during the summer or growing season. They can grow into each other and may cover the entire fruit surface. Frequently, blotches run down in a track resembling tears. The blotches can be removed by vigorous rubbing or be scratched off, revealing a normal peel. Symptoms can be seen particularly well when pears are lighter green colored. Late varieties are more susceptible because the disease builds over a longer growing period. Moist and cool weather favors the infection. Infections can occur from June until autumn. The first visible signs of sooty blotch colonies appear about 3 weeks after infection. Sooty blemishes are fungal mycelium adhering to the fruit. The fungi live as saprophyte on the wax layer surface of apples and do not invade the peel. Preventive measures are pruning, which allows light and air to enter the tree to achieve fast drying. In organic orchards, spraying 4 to 5 sprayings with the lime, sulfur, or cocoa soap during the main infection period is recommended. Top exporting countries of pear with China, Netherlands, Argentina, South Africa, Turkey, Italy, Chile, India, USA, and Spain, with China as the top exporter. Global pear market. The Italian pear sector is struggling. The sector is experiencing quality problems in both Spain and the Netherlands. In France, consumption is lagging behind while European peers are selling quickly on the German market. In Australia, exports have increased by no less than 75% last year. In the US, domestic production is expected to last until June, at which time the market will switch to exports. Chinese traders are exporting somewhat less this year due to their disappointing production, but are doing well in the domestic market. China, at present, there are still Chinese pears available on the Chinese market, despite the fact that the production was reduced due to the heavy frost recorded in April 2018. In order to meet the demand on the domestic market, peer traders have been exporting a little less and selling more on the domestic market. Furthermore, many peers are imported. Belgium and Netherlands are important suppliers. Export and import. In 2018, the peer exports from Pakistan amounted to 10 tons, picking up by 10% against the previous year. Overall, peer exports continue to indicate a strong expansion. The growth pace was the most rapid in 2016 when exports increased by 10% against the previous year. Exports peaked in 2018. Saudi Arabia was the main destination for peer exports from Pakistan. Peer import. In 2018, China was the main supplier of peer to Pakistan. From 2007 to 2018, the average annual growth rate of volume from China was relatively modest. Botanical description. Pear tree is a medium-sized tree reaching 10 to 17 meters tall, often with a tall, narrow crown. A few species are shrubby. Leaves. The leaves are alternately arranged, simple 2 to 12 centimeters long, glossy, green on some species, densely silvery here in some others. Leaf shape varies from broad oval to narrow lanceolate flowers. The flowers are white, rarely tinted yellow or pink, 2 to 4 centimeters in diameter, and have 5 petals. The shape varies in most species from oblate to globose to the classic pyriform of the European pear with an elongated basal portion and bulbous end. Fruit. The fruit is composed of receptacle or upper end of the flower stalk at the calyx tube, greatly dilated. Enclosed within its cellular flesh is the true fruit, which means that it is 5 cartilaginous carpels. From the upper rim of the receptacle are given off the 5 sepals, petals, and the very numerous stamens. There's a fact that some pears look very much like apples. For example, the Nashi pear. One major difference is that the flesh of pear fruit contains stone cells. Benefits. Pears are rich in macro and micronutrients as well as excellent source of vitamin C and dietary fiber. A fresh pear fruit of medium size weighing 100 gram is packed with carbohydrates, protein, sugars, fat, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, zinc, iron, and water. The pear fruit has also been traditionally used for remedial purposes intended for relieving constipation, alcoholism, cough, along with moistening lungs for more than 2,000 years in Asian countries like China, Korea, and Japan. Citric and malic acid are the major constituents of organic acids found in pear. As a part of balanced diet, nutritious consuming pears could support weight loss and reduce a person's risk of cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Both apples and pears contain pectin, a fiber that nourishes the gut bacteria. The high content of antioxidants like vitamin C and copper helps in boosting the immune system of body. Folic acid is very important for a pregnant woman to keep the baby safe from birth defects. Folic acid is present in pear. Pears, especially those with red skin, also contain carotenoids, flavonoids, and anthocyanin. These are the plant compounds that offer several health benefits and also act as antioxidants. Many fruits, including pears, contain a higher amount of fructose to glucose level. This makes them a high FODMAP food. MAP stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyoligosaccharides. These are all form of fermentable short-chain carbohydrates. They are basically the scientific terms used to classify a group of carbs that are notorious for triggering digestive problems in humans, like increasing gas, bloating, pain, and diarrhea in some people with irritable bowel syndrome.
जी बच्चों,
जी सर,
क्वेश्चन आंसर। ये पहले बच्चे कम होते हैं, अब ज्यादा हो गए हैं।